Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tuhin in AIML. So have you wondered how to convert these old documents to a document or a doc file in your laptop or computer without going into much mess of 80% of the business still have this pile of documents. Also our offices has these piles of documents which needed to convert to the doc file or in digital format. So for this, we will be using Mistral API. What is basically OCR? OCR is optical character recognition that converts image or PDF of text, whether to whether from scanned documents or photos into machine readable text data. So in this video, we'll see how how you can do that using Mistral API. So let's get started. So I have this image. You can see it contains quite a lot of text about data engineering. So if you try to copy this text from here, or let's see from here, Control plus A, nothing is really happening, right? So we will use this to perform our OCR. Let's see how it goes. This is a this is a Python code that does the task which we're going to perform. I am using Mistral OCR latest version, and it will be saved to this output folder in the name of OCR result.docs. It will be saved in docs file. So I have to use an API from Mistral. So I have my API of Mistral over here in the environment variable. And so let's see how it works. Here's my terminal. So let's run the code python mistral ocr.py. Enter. Once you enter, it will take a few seconds, maybe a minutes for a worst case scenario, but it usually takes few seconds and it's done. So let's see how good head is done. Okay, let's come to output and see here is the OCR result. This was the image and we have converted that to an docs file pretty easily. It just took seconds. Now let's understand what that PDF I just created is all about. Let's understand. It's a real life scenario how we use the Mistral OCR to understand the PDF. Okay, so let's start Python each OCR dot py and enter. It will also take a few seconds and it will be done. Done. Now come here again. This was the file that's just created. You can see explained beautifully. Here you can see everything is explained within a docs file. Simple explanation for kids, and it's pretty easy. And that's how you can use Mistral OCR to extract and understand your document just from an image. This has a lot of use cases. I just shown a few demo of how you can use. You can use for others, like you can take the output and generate quiz or whatever. It depends on you. Let me tell you one more thing. It doesn't work only on image. You can upload PDF too for understanding or doing the Mistral OCR. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it to your friends, and share among your community. And see you in the next video.